We're out here near Woodlawn Lake, San Antonio. So here will be master bathroom. That'll be the small addition for the master closet. Has some floor joists to repair. One room, another room back there. Got most of the demo done. Be adding a beam here. Open up the room, add another beam there. Open up that room, change this layout a little bit. Laundry room in the back. This will be the kitchen. Add a new wall here. It's got the nice 10-foot ceilings, built in probably before the 20s. I'm just taking everything out of here. So this will be a closet here. Turn this window into a door. Put a wall here and close this. Block off these windows, or at least one of them. New electrical, new plumbing, new AC, new insulation, sheetrock, flooring. Some red shaggy carpet. Nice front porch. So you take a left right there, and the lake's right behind these houses here. That's about it.